The next question comes from Jose Somalo at Oy in Delaware. He says, we've heard from the Hispanic community working at chicken processing plants that they may have several coworkers coughing or not feeling well. How is the state coordinating and helping the chicken industry in providing optimal health conditions at poultry plants?
So as we all know, we've had a positive case in the Purdue plant in Milford, as well as the Mount Air plant in Selbyville. In both cases, public health sent out an investigator to look at the situation there, to observe and learn about the protective measures that the employer was using, and reported back. In both cases, they felt like what they saw there at the plant were appropriate protective measures. One of the concerns that I have, frankly, as a result of those two cases, was not so much the effect in the plant. So I think, given the report that I heard from that investigation, was that they were providing appropriate measures to keep workers separate. Actually, we're talking about putting plastic shields in between them. They wear protective gear normally. But their comings and goings in automobiles, where the communities in which they live, in Georgetown, Selbyville, the smaller towns in Sussex County, Milford, and we are engaging a group to work with nonprofit and local social service agencies to reach out into those communities to get the word out about appropriate hygiene and social distancing during this time, so we don't have an outbreak in those communities. And they will continue to work with that engagement, particularly outside of the plants. I feel more comfortable about the conditions inside of the plants with the protective gear they have. There was some issues there, again, with coming and going, but more concerns, I think, with individuals and families in their communities. I don't know if Dr. Rattay wants to add to that.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's been a nice partnership between DEMA, DPH, Department of Agriculture, and the poultry plants to ensure that they are doing all that they can to screen the workers, and to ensure, if they're ill, that they are not coming to work, and then also, as the governor was mentioning, that they can social distance while they're out at work. And we know that it's not easy, but they're working very hard to be able to protect their employees.
And one of the important things, they were doing temperature checks as people come to work to make sure that they don't have a fever.